Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how to fix if iOS 16.3 update is not showing on your iPhone or iPad. So if you're trying to update your iPhone to the latest version, which is iOS 16.3, and you're not getting the update in the software update section. So now let's get start the video and let me show you how you can fix this problem. So the first of all, you have to click on settings, then simply scroll down, click on general, then click on date and time and make sure that you turn on set automatically. So once you have done this, then simply go back, click on language and region, make sure that you select the region where are you living right now. So if you have selected the wrong region, you have to select the region where are you living right now. So once you're done with this, then simply go back and then click on VPN and device management, and if you see any beta profile, click on it and click on remove downloaded profile. So once you have removed this, so once you're done with this, now click on VPN. So if you have added any VPN profile, make sure that you click on it and delete the profile. So once you've done this, then simply go back to your settings and then simply go back to software update section. Now this time you will see the update in your iPhone. So hope this video helps you. If it does, then leave a like and comment. Thanks for watching.